today you will get a different type of a vlog from me because I had a very busy week, and in this vlog I wanted to show you about my Sunday, about my Monday and about my Tuesday. And Sunday was the day after the event, so I did absolutely nothing. I had very much a resting day, and in the end, in the evening, I just lit a candle, poured myself a glass of wine, and I planned out the rest of my week. So actually that's all I did on Sunday. Then Monday, as you can see in the vlog, let's think. What did I do on Monday? Did I film on Monday? I don't think I filmed on Monday. Oh yeah! I started my day with updating my... Did I start my day with that? Yeah, I think so. No, that's not true. I went away for the whole day. I was working and helping out DLS design, so I didn't film anything about that. But in the evening I fixed my to-do list, and I also made a packing list because I'm going away this weekend. So I didn't want to forget anything, so that's why I made a packing list, and I am thinking about putting it in an online document, so you guys can check it out as well for when you're going away for a crop. It can be just one day or maybe a whole weekend like I am going, but yeah, I thought it would be convenient to have a packing list for days like that. So I made that. Tuesday I went to DLS design again, and you can see a little peek of what I was doing that day. Besides that, yeah, my days have flown by. Like I said, we're a few days after the event, so I was resting and I was working really hard. Good combination. But yeah, actually that's what I did, and nothing more, nothing less. And I didn't film that much because I did not know exactly what I could film, and I just haven't been very creative myself. So I thought, let's keep you up to date with me chatting, and I hope I did find out how I can separate my sound from my movie, so you can hear me talking and still see the videos, the shots I made. So if you saw that, then it works, and otherwise I have to keep fighting with my computer a little bit more. But for now, that was it. Those were my 3 days, and that was all I can tell you, and I hope to see you in my next vlog. Well, if you're fine with me doing some days like this, then I know it's a bit different, so I didn't know if you would like it, but I thought it was the best solution to my very little amount of footage. So please give this video a thumbs up. I have a lot of new subscribers, so hi to you guys. And thank you for subscribing. If you didn't subscribe yet, then do so, because I'm almost at the 750 subscribers, and then I will do a giveaway. So stay tuned for that. See you in my next movie. Bye bye.